Whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned home chef, creating the perfect homemade pizza is within your reach, and it's a journey you won't want to miss. To start, gather your ingredients. For the dough, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 3/4 cup of warm water at about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the sauce, prepare 1 cup of canned crushed tomatoes, 1 minced clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and dried basil, and salt and pepper to taste. Top your pizza with 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, fresh basil leaves if you like, and any additional toppings you prefer, such as pepperoni, bell peppers, mushrooms, or onions. Begin by preparing the dough. In a bowl, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast, letting it sit for approximately 5 minutes until frothy. Add the olive oil, salt, and flour, then knead the mixture until it becomes smooth and elastic. Allow it to rise in a warm place for an hour. Next, make the sauce by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a saucepan, then sautéing the minced garlic until it is fragrant. Add the crushed tomatoes, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. Once the dough has risen, roll it out on a floured surface to your desired thickness and transfer it to a pizza stone or baking sheet. Spread your freshly made sauce over the dough, sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese, and add your chosen toppings. Now it's time to bake. Place the assembled pizza in the oven and bake it for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Once baked, remove the pizza from the oven, garnish with fresh basil if desired, slice, and enjoy. The preparation time for this homemade pizza is about 15 minutes, with an additional hour for the dough to rise, and the cooking time is approximately 12 to 15 minutes, bringing the total time to about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Each slice of pizza, assuming the pizza is divided into 8 slices, contains approximately 220 calories, 10 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of fat, and 2 grams of fiber. Making homemade pizza is not only a delightful culinary experience, but also a healthier option compared to store-bought or delivery pizza. You have full control over the ingredients, allowing you to create a nutritious meal that meets your dietary preferences or restrictions. Additionally, the process of cooking together can provide quality family time, fostering stronger relationships and creating lasting memories.